You know, Joel, we have done a number of events and presentations of our research recently. I don't know about you, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised at the reaction we have been getting from the business community. How do you feel about it?
Oh, I think the business community is at a point now where it's really willing to take these issues on. The reality of people leaving, of companies leaving, of opportunities shrinking is dawning on them. And we're finding tremendous support. And this is not conservative, Republican, Trumpista, because frankly, many of those people who want to stay in California, they like the diversity, they like the innovation, they like the freedoms of California, but they also want to have the freedom to succeed, and that's being taken away. So what we need to do is continue to get the business community united, not around a political position, but around an economic position, a revival of California's dream, which is beginning to fade. But what we're thrilled about is that the business people that we talk to are motivated. We're getting invited to places we never thought we'd get invited to. There's a lot of interest across the state, and we're hoping to continue to do more events over the next few weeks.
My sense is that we are building momentum for an argument that has been there, but that business people have been afraid to acknowledge. I think that they are afraid, especially in a state like California, of bringing up issues that might come back with blowback on them at some point in time. And I think what they're seeing in our research is the idea that they have simply not been successful getting across to the state what it is that it takes to be successful as an innovative business, to both build one and sustain one. And I think that we're giving people hope, really, that there is a potential argument to be made to the state to become more aware of the mistakes that they're making in building the economic success in the state, changing policies, making things less contentious, changing the attitude, reducing some of the regulation. There is hope for that to happen, because if it doesn't happen, their very future is really in jeopardy. And so I think that our positive response that we're getting from business reflects the fact that they see the urgency of making this happen.
We are believers in California, as are most of the people we're talking to. If they leave, it's not going to be something that they're looking forward to or they want to do. Nobody wants to uproot their business or their family to go someplace else when they live someplace that they like. We want to give these people the option of being able to participate in changing what the direction of California and to make it the kind of place that it was and the kind of place it could be.